Imagine a world where you could walk through meadows filled with wildflowers, an abundance of butterflies, brown trout swimming in crystal clear chalk streams, and listen to the nightingale, cuckoo, turtle dove, welcoming in each and every spring. This is not a fairy tale. This was our world. But then came the diggers, out came the hedges, fields were sprayed, roads were laid, woodland lost, waters choked, the temperate climate changed. Our green and pleasant land, no more. Now, one of the most nature-depleted places on the planet, 1 in 6 species threatened with extinction, spring all but silenced. But we can turn the pages. We can bring it back. When we restore the habitats, dig the ponds, let the flowers grow, nature's revived. When we re-wiggle the streams and add back the water voles, nature thrives. This once was, and this can be again. With your help, we can write a different story. Please join us today.